welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show off some of my great deals I got from garage sales. I found this little organizer from Mastercraft. I love using these to organize small random bits. All it needed was a good wash. It was only $1. I found this beautifully round carved trinket box with a lid. I love anything that's wood-toned. Looks like there's a carving of a fish on it and some flowers. There's no markings on it, but I think this is probably someone's trip souvenir. There's a small crack on the bottom, but you can't tell when it's on the shelf. I love it. It was only $2. It does wobble a bit, but I still love it. I also found these sticks, and I'm so angry for not grabbing more. These are going to be great to use to create wall hangings. Ugh, I'm still mad at myself. And they were cheap too. I also got this large glass container for only 50 cents. I'm always looking out for these because I like displaying all my craft supplies in them. Makes it easier to find things. I gave it a good wash, and I think for now, I'll keep my sticks in them. Ugh, why didn't I grab more? I also found this long tray from Ikea today. I love using these on countertops to protect it from any water damage or stains. I think I'll put this one in my bathroom. It was only $1. I also found these cute little frames. They're a little bit heavy and they have a velvety back, so I think they're a pretty good quality. Now I need to find art for them. I need to be on the lookout for art books or anything I can use for art. Or maybe I'll paint something myself. But for now, I'll use some scrapbook paper. You can also display art in these small tabletop frames. Art is not just for the walls. And I got them both for $1. And I found a cute basket. I love baskets, and I already have more than I need, but I can always squeeze another one in, right? I also like to keep my craft supplies in baskets. This basket was only $1. And finally, this little blue dish for 75 cents. It's plastic. I wish it was glass, but I love the color. And I'm going to use it to keep some more of my craft supplies. Well, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me down below which of my items are your favorite, and what would you do with them? Bye for now.